Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your YouTube channel is monetized or not. Nowadays, the first method to check the monetization status of your channel is not working right now. For this, you have to follow these steps properly. For tutoring purpose or for example, I'm picking up this channel. Just you have to copy the link of your channel and go through your browser and search for YT Large, and you will find the YT Large website, and you just need to click on YouTube monetization checker. If you can find this option, you can just directly search for YT Large YouTube monetization checker. So I'm going with this link, and here you can see the interface of YT Large. Now in this empty bar, you need to paste your YouTube channel URL. As like me, I have pasted this URL that I have copied earlier in this video. Now you just need to go through this captcha verification. Here is the code, and enter the code properly and click on the enter button here. Now you have to wait for some times. As you can check your monetization status, you can also view your channel statistics and financial performance, and all of these features are free. You can find various tools available in YT Large website. The process is almost done. Here is a simple loading, and the information is now on your screen. You can see the channel monetization status is off. That means this channel is not monetized yet. And you can also find some information about this channel. Now let's go with another example, another channel that have monetization. Copy this URL like before, and then go to YT Large, paste the link, just a simple reset and paste the link, complete the verification, captcha verification, then click on enter and wait for a while. An important thing is sometimes it comes out an error for your ad blockers. If you have installed any ad blocker extension on your Chrome, then just simply turn off those blockers for this session and try again. Before the process finish up, let's know about how does the monetization checker works. As they mentioned here, the monetization checker works using advanced and enhanced YouTube APIs that have different clients. It analyzes the tokens of the specific elements by algorithmically searching for specified ad items, ad formats, ad counts, ad insertions, intervals for monetization within the functional data by examining and verifying these values. It provides information on whether a channel or video is monetized and provides a variety of statistics. There we have it. The process is now completed. Here is the details about the channel, that the channel is monetized, and here you can find some information about this channel and some statistics and some important details also included in this details section. As I have proved you that this website is legal and legit to check the monetization status of your channel. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon for more informative video. Thanks for watching. Till the next time.